think getting an MBA guarantees you a job? Not really. I am Dr. Ramaprasad Rao, Professor of Management. In this video, I will tell you the skills that recruiters are actively looking for and how you can master them with the free tools while you are in MBA. Let us dive in. Getting an MBA is just the beginning. To succeed in the corporate world, you need more than a degree. Here, I'll share the skills that every MBA student must master. Most important one is communication skills. Strong communication skills can set you apart in any field. Master the art of public speaking. Practice by recording yourself and getting feedback from peers. Confidently present your ideas in interviews and group discussions. Join Toastmasters International for free virtual sessions to practice public speaking. Use ORI for free tool AI-based public speaking. Use free tool Grammarly for professional writing and Hemingway app to improve sentence clarity and simplicity. You can try free templates available on Canva and Google Docs for report writing. Check out for free links in the description below. In today's corporate world, data is king. Recruiters value candidates who can analyze trends and make data-driven decisions using tools like Power BI, Tableau, SQL, and Excel. Basic knowledge of Python and R is a big plus. Practice these skills for free. Power BI, learn from Microsoft official portal. Tableau, use Tableau Public and practice with the sample data. SQL, interactive tutorial on W3 schools. Excel, free training from Microsoft. Python, Code Academy offers free Python basics. R, free course on Kaggle. Check out for free links in the description below. Understanding finance is crucial no matter your specialization. Learn how to read balance sheets to understand a company's financial health. Analyze profit and loss statement to spot strengths and weaknesses. And keep track of market trends to make informed business decisions. Knowing these fundamentals will help you speak the language of business with confidence. In today's digital age, companies are actively seeking MBA graduates with strong digital marketing and branding skills because businesses need professionals who can build brand presence, drive customer engagement, and increase sales through online platforms. Mastering search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and digital ads will make you a top choice for recruiters. Learn how to run Google and Facebook ads, improve website traffic with SEO, and create engaging social media content. Companies want candidates who can drive results. Be the one they hire. Practice digital marketing for free. Google Ads, free training and certification through Skillshop. Facebook and Instagram ads, Meta Blueprint, free courses. SEO, free training from Moz and Google Search Central. Social media marketing, free certification course from HubSpot. Branding, free courses on Canva Design School. Learn digital marketing for free. Check out for free links in the description and take the first step towards becoming a digital marketing expert. Success in the corporate job selection is not about luck. It is about preparation. Start building these skills today. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe for more career tips.